Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 7 Plus. So what you're going to want to do is hold the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. You're going to want to continue to hold the lock button until the phone completely turns on and turns back on. If this hasn't worked for you, make sure you comment down below or follow me on Instagram and shoot me a DM. I'm always open to helping anybody out. And there you guys have it. This is how you hard reset your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. There you guys go. iPhone 7 has been fully hard resetted.